Hi, my friends. So we are talking about the Holtop direct expansion DX coil split type, the handling units and the package units.
Yes.
And as well as the, some other relevant products and devices. So they are all good items in terms of performance.
Yeah.
And in order to help you better understand their key features, we would like to summarize their commanding features here. And Tom, please show me the pictures. And as you can see in this picture, this is the
outdoor unit.
The internal design of the outdoor units. And first, we can find a low RPM, high efficiency, two-speed motor. Yeah. And the second one is the hermetically sealed scroll compressor, and as well as a rubber cushion, especially for this compressor. Yes. And number 4, we have the new Voltage streamlined fan blade for the that is the cooling fan.
Yes.
Yes.
Cooling condensing fan.
And we also have the large diameter discharge grill, low noise and wind guide design, and airflow stream the simulation. Yeah. And as well as the optimized design for the pipeline damping fixed in place to avoid the vibration noise and to reduce the refrigerant flow noise.
Yes, you know, because in the outdoor units will be a shipping after the production, so it will be shaken on the road. So we have to make some fix items on the cooper pipe and the components of the the valve.
Yes. So you mean that it shall be have a good protection itself.
Yes. Okay, so as you see these outdoor units, there is the outdoor units. It is a big items outside, and it is condensing units. So for the condensing units, we design this the internal of coil is U-type. The U-type internal coil. The cutting-edge designs of heat exchanger coils to provide extremely high efficiency. You know, the three-side U type heat exchanger is makes effective use of the fan flow and full expands the heat transfer areas and make it effective use of greatly improves the heat transfer efficiency without increasing the unit size. Yeah, it is a compact size. And diameter of the cooper pipe of this inside of this coil, the diameter is 7.94 cooper pipe compared to the traditional one. Traditional is just 7 points. So to this point, the size of the cooper is big to have more efficiency to heat recovery or heat exchange. Okay, so. So this is all for the U-type coil.
Yes, and so Holtop outdoor condensing units, we use the diameter of 7.94 with internal flat tube fin structure to regulate the heat transfer coefficient, which has the best performance of heat exchange and defrosting. It increases about 27% of the performance compared to the traditional tube fin structure.
Yes, and the cooper, it is inside a screw type. Compared to the traditional one, it's just shoes inside panel of the inside the tube. This inside the screws cooper tube can make this more space for the refrigerant to the coil connection. And to this way, it can also improve the heat exchange between the refrigerant and the air.
Yes, it is increasing its internal area for the heat exchange.
Yes.
And we have another advantage of this product, and that is we use the 2-in-1 refrigerant confluent technology. The refrigerant flow speed inside the coil matters a lot with the heat exchange efficiency.
Yes.
So during the heat exchange process, the refrigerant will condense and its volume and become smaller, and its flow speed will be slowed down. the heat exchange efficiency will come lower. So with the 2-in-1 new technology, the refrigerant speed inside will be kept always high, and the efficiency will be kept always high.
Yes, so this is for the outdoor condensing units, the fin, the tube, and then the next one is the control. Holtop's condensing units is equipped with new technology. We call it HMI, the controller, with SMT technology to get a stable performance. And intelligent defrosting, the logistic will be correct values of data during the outdoor condensing operation when at a low temperature.
Yes, as I know that the control system will be very important for direct expansion system, because the direct expansion system is a very sensitive system that it needs a lot of care.
Yes, you know, we have a high pressure alarm and 4 defrost phase protection. And the most important things, the refrigerant we use for this DX coil is eco refrigerant R4110A.
Yes. That is the environmental protection, the refrigerants.
Yes.
That's very good. And for this unit, we have another advantage. That is we have the wide range of operation condition. Holtop condensing unit is able to provide cooling at outdoor condition about 15 centidegree to 43 centidegree.
Yes.
That is fitting the need of most of the area in the world.
Yes.
And to satisfy most of the area and need, and then some certain special application that asking for cooling, even when the outdoor temperature is already down to 15 centidegree, and they in this case they also need cooling inside, and it can provide heating even the outdoor condition is as low as minus 10 centidegree. Help solve the heating requirement in extreme weather condition.
Yes, no matter in the extremely as low as the -10, it can still working. Okay, so how time flies. We have shared with you the Holtop DX coil AGU for ceiling, for the floor type and the roof type. So they have their own feature to suit different projects. And if you have any inquiry or any project, they are going to use the DX AHU, and you are welcome to send us inquiry or leave us a message.